Hello, friends. Today we are going to practice reading simple sentences. Are you ready? Let's begin. I am a fish. I cannot walk, but I can swim. I am a bird. I cannot swim, but I can fly. I am a dog. I cannot fly, but I can run. I am a frog. I cannot fly, but I can jump. I am a duck. I cannot run, but I can swim. I am a horse. I cannot fly, but I can run fast. I am a monkey. I cannot swim well, but I can climb. I am a rabbit. I cannot fly, but I can hop. I am a snake. I cannot walk, but I can slither. I am a turtle. I cannot run, but I can swim. I am an elephant. I cannot fly, but I can carry heavy things. I am a kangaroo. I cannot fly, but I can jump high. I am a dolphin. I cannot fly, but I can swim fast. I am a chicken. I cannot fly high, but I can run. I am a butterfly. I cannot swim, but I can fly. Good job. Well done, kids. You did a great job. You can download free printables at my website www.downloadableworksheet.com. Look at these spring coloring pages which you can download totally free at my website. Don't forget to like, subscribe and share. This is your teacher signing off. I'll see you in the next video. Till then, take care. Bye.